We know that job site needs can change. That's why it's quick and easy to transfer machines between job sites without having to return them using the catrentalstore.com customer portal. Head to the Rentals dashboard in the customer portal to get started. In the Take Action drop-down menu, select Transfer next to the asset you want to transfer. On the following screen, choose all the equipment you'd like to transfer and enter your transfer dates to help ensure your job stays on schedule. Next, choose a location to transfer the equipment to. This can be an existing job site or add a new one. Enter a PO number if needed and opt for transportation to transfer your equipment. Include any additional notes for the rental dealer to help ensure a smooth transaction from one job site to the next. For more information, visit catrentalstore.com. And don't forget, the Cat Rental Store customer portal is also available as a mobile app. Download today to find, rent, and manage your equipment rentals from your mobile device.